How to find draft videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this plus option. With that, your camera will open up. Firstly, I will be uploading any of the video as a draft. So I have selected this one video. From here, you are able to edit your video. Once you are done, you can click on this icon. Now click on next. You will get the option Save Draft and Upload Short. I will be selecting the option of Save Draft. So you can see that I have just uploaded a video in my draft. Now where to find that saved draft? For that, you will need to click on this plus icon. At the bottom, you will find different options. Click on the option of Short. Once you select the option of Short, you will find the option of Draft over here. Click on it. Now in this page, you will be able to find all of your draft video. Well, this is how you can easily find draft videos on YouTube. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.